hot and getting hotter. Those 4 words sum up the weather on our gradually warming Earth. June was the 14th consecutive month the global temperature record has been broken. According to the National Center for Atmospheric Research, the probability that any summer between 2061 and 2080 will be warmer than the hottest on record is 80% across the world's land areas. That's if climate change continues on its current course.
There are large and quantifiable differences between a future in which we do a lot to mitigate future climate change and a future in which we do very little.
A modest reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, Ben Sanderson says, drops the probability of summer heat records to 41%.
There's a vast difference between those two futures.
To reach that conclusion, Sanderson and his NCAR colleagues fed reams of data on the Earth and its climate, past and present, into this supercomputer, and then ran multiple simulations of the 2 scenarios. They found that climate change could affect the world unevenly.
You have different regions on the globe warming at a different rate, so some will become hotter than others.
NCAR's Flavio Lehner points out China and North America in the middle latitudes will also see fewer record hot summers if carbon emissions come down.
The places where a large part of the population lives benefits disproportionately.
The news here isn't that the planet is heating up. It's that cutting carbon emissions could make a quantifiable difference in our lives and make summers a little bit more bearable.
The exact numbers matter. We need to be able to look forward and put bounds on what the future climate might look like.
Sanderson hopes this latest study helps push policymakers further in the direction of renewable energy.
This is a feasible thing to do with the technologies which we already have available if we chose to deploy them.
At stake is everything from crop yields to human health. He believes his statistical models make a strong case that modest reduction in greenhouse gases can make a big difference. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.
If you like what you just saw, follow us on social media and visit our website, cctv-america.com.